Okay, so guys, so basically I'm done like cleaning up the pots right here. So this is how it's gonna look basically. As you can see here, I have the grassy texture, which is gonna be like my centerpiece. Then I have some fillers, and then I don't know if this one's gonna spill, but I decided to put this one in front. It's gonna be a pretty mix. I'm like out of breath. Sorry guys. So I'm also gonna be sprinkling a little bit of plant in here just to give them a little bit of a boost. So yeah, let me set up the camera and let's get to planting. There's an ant infestation in here, guys. Guys, I'll be right back. So guys, we had a little incident that we had a little ant infestation, but it's all good. I cleaned out the soil. I got me some new soil. It's just horrible. None of the soil I'm gonna keep. This is not the first time I went ahead and I had an ant infestation. I did have an ant infestation when this garden was barely even like this. It was all the way in 2000 and I don't quite remember. I believe in 2019 I did it. is it for this video. So thank you guys for watching. If you haven't seen my recent videos, please make sure to go check them out. And also, if you haven't already, please like this video if you liked it. And if you want to go ahead and support my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And yeah, so also again, if you haven't seen my recent videos, make sure to go check it out to make sure to keep your garden flourishing and producing for you. So thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.